So just another update on my Turner Syndrome student today. This was the 4th lesson that we've had. We started today with the digit span of 6. Definitely not able to do that within a reasonable time frame for a digit span, but we're just stretching it. When we start with a larger digit span, the working memory suffers, and that was obviously the case. We were only able to get to 2 sets of 6 today, but we worked also on the processing speed, and that went okay. We started at a pretty low level processing speed of about, like a preschool level, and ended at about a 4th grade level, which would be, grade level for her. Another exercise, we worked on processing speed as well, and that's doing actually quite well, and that also builds rhythm, and that went well today too. The rhythm exercise for the alphabet, much better. Still gets a little off, especially if she's hesitant about a certain letter, then of course she gets off then and has a hard time getting back on. But overall, much better. The rhythm's much, much better. Continuing to work on the auditory sequencing and digit span, working memory. Phonemically, just again, still plugging along, still very hard, just even with 2 sounds and exchanging 1, but moving through the different variations on that theme. And the visual perception exercise, we're again just kind of moving through the various stages of that, and it's going well. So overall, pretty good. Yeah.